If you wanna grade me, nigga, I'm a 5-star. I reflect like a sun shining on the car. Dropping flame niggas, yeah, I'm dropping all the bars. Catch me at night, I be shining like the fucking stars. I hang niggas on beaches like a fucking bra. I'm your homie, never call me bra. I'm the beast, I'm gon' chew you like a lunch bar. I be making money, nigga, like a Escobar. Like a Escobar, like a Escobar. My nigga, be careful cause I drop what's hard. If you wanna face me, better drop what's hard. You like a retard, and I'm the die hard. If you wanna face me, better work hard. You just own the yard, but you can hold my bars. I really got a history cause I got scars. Niggas started on their minds cause they bite flows. Then I strike cause Apex got the flows. Yeah, my nigga, really, I just kill it slow. I just kill it slow. I just kill it slow. I told you I drop what's hard. I told